So Apple's affordable iPhone 16e made waves earlier this year, launching at $599 as a budget-friendly alternative to the iPhone 16 lineup and serving as a replacement for the long-running iPhone SE series. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo revealed back in May that Apple is moving to an annual refresh cycle for its entry-level iPhones, meaning a 17e could arrive as soon as the first half of 2026. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman also echoed this timeline, suggesting an early 2026 debut. However, one earlier leak claimed the device was already nearing trial production, pointing to a potential May 2026 release a few months later than the iPhone 16e's February launch. Adding to this, the Elec reported in July that Apple plans to reuse the same OLED panel found in the iPhone 16e, which originally debuted in the iPhone 14 to help cut production costs. That means the 7e will likely feature a Super Retina XDR OLED display with up to 1200 nits peak brightness and 460 pixels per inch, matching the 16e's visuals but keeping prices competitive. Under the hood, things get more exciting. Gurman claims the iPhone 17e will pack the same A19 chip used in the flagship iPhone 17 models. Built on a new 3nm process, the A19 includes a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This chip promises faster performance, improved AI capabilities, and even console-level gaming with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The enhanced efficiency also means a notable battery life boost compared to its predecessor. Design-wise, popular leaker Digital Chat Stations suggests the iPhone 7e will finally ditch the old notch for a dynamic island and introduce a new design. Since the iPhone 16e borrowed its look from the iPhone 14, it's likely the 17e will inherit design cues from the iPhone 15, including a sleeker, more rounded frame. Still, some reports conflict on this, especially if Apple plans to reuse the same display panel. So if you're waiting for Apple's next budget iPhone, the iPhone 17e could arrive sooner than expected, and it might finally bridge the gap between affordability and flagship power. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17e? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.